Welcome, curious minds, to Chibi University. Today we've got an exciting lineup of adventures to share with you right here on our learning screens. Let's embark on a sweet expedition through chocolate's history and its transformation from cocoa bean to your favourite treat. A delicious adventure awaits. Hi friends, do you know where chocolate comes from? Let's travel back in time to discover the origins of delicious chocolate. Ancient Mayans and Aztecs loved chocolate too, but they drank it as a bitter beverage. When explorers took chocolate to Europe, it was sweetened with sugar and honey. Soon, chocolate transformed into the tasty bars we love today. Are you thrilled by the origins of chocolate? Let's unwrap the next layer, how it transforms into the bars we adore. Welcome back, friends. Ever wonder how a chocolate bar is made? Chocolate starts as cocoa beans, which are roasted, ground and mixed to create yummy chocolate. Did you know there are many types of chocolate? Milk, dark and even white chocolate. Chocolate brings us together during celebrations and sweet moments. Chocolate can be a treat, but remember to enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. Hope you enjoyed our chocolatey journey. Remember, there's always more to learn and explore.
In life, like in chocolate, it's the mix that makes the magic. Mole Man here. A bit of sweetness, a dash of bitter, and a whole lot of nuts make it all worth the ride. If you're digging what we're planting, hit that subscribe button. Tunnel in with us again for adventures that are more than just sugar-coated.